life on the water. There's nothing quite like it, right? Now, let me tell you a secret. You want to land that trophy fish, it's all about time. Yes, time. The more hours, days, even weeks you spend out there, the better. It's not just about casting your line and hoping for the best. No, it's about understanding the water, the weather, the habits of the fish. Patience, my friend, is the real secret weapon. With each passing hour, you're not just waiting, you're learning, adapting, becoming a part of the water itself. So the next time you're out there, remember, time is the real trophy, and who knows, that trophy fish might just be your next cast away.